You know the 1 ringgit MEPS fee that has annoyed Malaysians for years? Starting 1st July, it's gone. Which is strange, because banks usually find new ways to charge fees, not remove them. So why did 11 major Malaysian banks suddenly agree to give it up? First, let's clear up the misconception. That 1 ringgit was never a government charge. It was a fee you paid whenever you used another bank's ATM. For example, if you had a Maybank card and withdrew cash from a CIMB ATM, you'd be charged 1 ringgit through the MEPS network. But why scrap it now? The answer is that cash is becoming less important. If you think about the last time you paid for something, chances are it wasn't in cash. Malaysia has become one of the fastest growing digital payment markets in the region. And today, billions of DuitNow transactions move through the system every year. Meanwhile, there are fewer people relying on cash, which means that the 1 ringgit matters less as a source of revenue. But it still creates frustration. Sometimes a fee generates more customer anger than actual profit. And for a banking industry that earns billions of ringgit every year, removing an unpopular 1 ringgit charge can be a surprisingly cheap way to win goodwill. And of course, ATMs aren't suddenly free. Someone still has to pay for the machine, the cash inside it, the maintenance, the security, and the network connecting different banks together. These costs haven't disappeared. The difference is that starting 1st July, customers won't see them as a separate 1 ringgit charge anymore. And that's what makes this story interesting. The real headline isn't that banks removed the fee. It's that Malaysia's banking system now sees more value in keeping customers happy than collecting 1 ringgit every time they need cash. Because increasingly the future of banking isn't happening at the ATM, it's happening on our phones.